everybody, welcome back to E Cubed. Today we have a very good expression. It might be perfect for some of you. It's this. Somebody eats like a bird. My mom eats like a bird. There's nothing too deep about this expression. It means that my mom eats a little bit. She's like a mouse. But in America, it eats like a mouse, eats like a bird. We say both expressions. Eats like a bird, I don't know. To me, it sounds a little bit nicer. Eats like a mouse, same thing. But when you say mice, I'm thinking cheese. Does my mom eat that much cheese? I don't think so. But she really does eat like a bird. Her portions, the size of her meals are very small, and she loves it and she enjoys it. Me, I don't eat like a bird. I tend to eat like a pig. I need to change my eating habits. Eat like a pig, the opposite. Eat like a bird, eat like a mouse, eat like a pig. Great expressions. Let's check out a dialogue. Oh, that was so good. Your mom doesn't like the cake? No, she loves it. Then why didn't she eat it? She did. It's just that she eats like a bird. They say that one way to lose weight is to eat like a bird. But I'm wondering, have any of you out there, some of you are probably trying to lose weight or want to lose weight. Do you think eating like a bird would help? I don't know. I don't think so. I think if I have something delicious like steak and potatoes or a piece of cake, it would almost be impossible to eat like a bird. I don't know. Is it possible? You tell me. You tell me. And tell me about the way you eat. Do you eat like a bird? Or do you eat like a pig? Be honest. Be honest. Even though we eat like a pig, we can still be very clean. We just eat tons and tons and tons of food, right? Yeah, that's the idea. Eat like a bird. We also say eat like a mouse, but eat like a bird to eat just a little bit, not too much, just pecking like a bird, kind of eating like that. Got it? Check out those dialogues a couple more times, practice with a friend, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh, that was so good. Your mom doesn't like the cake? No, she loves it. Then why didn't she eat it? She did. It's just that she eats like a bird. Oh, that was so good. Your mom doesn't like the cake? No, she loves it. Then why didn't she eat it? She did. It's just that she eats like a bird. Oh, that was so good. Your mom doesn't like the cake? No, she loves it. Then why didn't she eat it? She did. It's just that she eats like a bird.